how to get and install the newest version of Optifine for Minecraft. So first things first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now in here what you want to do is simply type in Optifine and then just simply choose on the very first result that will redirect you into optifine.net. Now in here you should be able to see home, downloads, donate, cape, banners, login, FAQs. Choose on downloads, and as of 2025, you should be able to see 1.21.10. Simply click on preview versions, and this is the latest version possible of Optifine for Minecraft, which is going to be for 2025 version. Simply download it, and if you cannot install it, what you want to do is to open up another tab, type in download Java for Minecraft. Now choose on the first result that will redirect you to java.com's official website. And then in here, scroll down and choose your operating system. It's going to be 32 or 64-bit Windows for Mac OS and for Linux as well. Choose on your operating system, download this and install it so you can run the newest version of Optifine for Minecraft. And that's it. That's how you get and install the newest version of Optifine for Minecraft.